Hello, everyone. My name is Richard. I'm from WEBA, and we are here at the moment with Radmila from Macedonia del North. And she has a company, and she's looking forward to hire candidate female from India, from Nepal, and she is interested to understand the possibility to hire some of you today, and it will be great if you can show a video of your working performance. So, Radmila, please introduce yourself.
Hello, Richard. Thank
Oh,
you for your call. We are here from North Macedonia from a textile company. We have two textile companies and around 350 workers, and we're looking for hiring for the beginning 10 ladies that will have experience and will know to sew. We do fashion garments, mostly for women, but even if they don't have many years of experience, but they know some basic operations, we can teach them something additional. It's very important to have wish to learn and to work in this environment. It's a very nice environment. The people are very kind. As I said, most of them are women. We also offer very good accommodation in a nice and good city. So I think they will be happy. Also, we offer opportunity if they want to work overtime or something additionally, they can earn extra in our country.
thank you, Radmila. Very, very interesting, very kind. Since how long is the company existing?
The company exists 50 years, but the facility that they will work now, it's 22 years.
Wow. And how many staff in total you have at the moment?
Around 350 people. It's a
Wow,
big and
congratulations.
serious company, yes.
Congratulations. Thank you, Radmila. Thank you to give us the mandate to find a worker for your company. We will share with you CV and video for your company in North Macedonia, in the heart of Europe. Beautiful country, fantastic atmosphere, and great
Exactly.
to work with you together. Thank you, Radmila. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much.
So what was very interesting with you, Radmila, is that you're looking to find like a supervision lady who can speak
Yes.
to everyone. Maybe if you can
Manager
explain
of
this
the
part.
production. Yes, but it's very important. She too has knowledge of all the operations, mostly for women garments, and that she has experience in supervising, managing, or even production manager of a whole company. Yes, the conditions we can agree, and I'm sure they will be happy. It's very important so they can have touch with us. We can explain and talk to them, and they will explain to the other people from India or Nepal.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much.